So as advertised, just like we multiply exponents, bases with exponents, we can divide them too. Alrighty, so dividing powers with the same base. Notice there's kind of a theme here, the same base. So my base of A, if I have m divided by n, so remember that fraction bar is just division. A to the m divided by a to the n, that's technically like a to the m minus n. So what that looks like is the following. If I have 2, I'm going to pick in simple numbers here, 2 to the third divided by 2 to the fourth, that's the same as 2 to the 3 minus 4, or 2 to the negative 1. And let me show you why that works. So again, the reason this works is if I have to think about 2 to the third, that really means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the fourth means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And again, this is all multiplication here. We all know about canceling, right? So cancel the 2, cancel the 2, cancel the 2. Boom. 1, 2 left. Just a 1 on the top, technically, right? So it becomes 1/2, which is, you're going to find out in a minute, 2 to the negative 1. Yeah, we'll get to that part. But that's why it works. And again, it's a really nice shortcut, people. So one more example. If I had 3 to the fourth over 3, let's say squared, that's 3 to the 4 minus 2, which is 3 squared, right? So again, that's why it works. This is a minus sign, I promise. Alrighty, as previously alluded to, negative exponents, right? If I have the following, a to the negative n, that's 1 over a to the n. It forces it to the denominator. So that means if I had 3 to the negative 2, that's the same as 1 over 3 squared. Likewise, if I have a negative in the denominator, it forces it up. So if I had 1 over 3 to the negative 3, that's technically 3 to the 3 over 1, right? Or just 3 cubed, if you prefer. And we will practice the heck out of it. That's a rule you got to get down, folks. Now, I do teach this in the advanced class, and what I see them doing is get confused. They think, oh, negative 2, that's the same as 1 over 2. No, we didn't change those rules. The negative has to be in the exponent. Like if I have 2 to the negative 1, right, that's 1 over 2. So, again, pay attention to that piece. Watch the pitfalls. A lot of the advanced kids fall into that. And then they bomb my quiz and they have to retake it and actually have to learn the rules they find out. You can ask them. They'll tell you. I'm really mean about the rules. 0 exponent. Anything to the 0 power is the number 1. Poof, done, right? So if I have 6, no, that's not a 6. There we go. 6 to the 0 power. That's the number 1. If I have x to the 0 power, that's the number 1. That's it. If I have, now this is fun. Watch this. Ready? Ready? So if I have 4 squared to the 3rd power, all of that minus 27 to the 2nd power, all of that to the 0 power. As long as the whole thing is encompassed in the 0 power, I don't care what's inside, it's the number 1. Okay? There's a question on your quiz. I think it's one of the tests like that. This big, horrible, long thing. I put the 0 power. You just have to know it's 1. There you go. That is exponents and division.